today was the week 14 drop of Supreme Spring Summer 2018. They had a couple collabs on it, couple shorts, couple hoodies, a vest. As y'all can see, I went with the Supreme collab hoodie. I got a couple colors I'm gonna show you. I got the red one, which I got on right now. You know what I'm saying? Kind of plain in the front, you know what I'm saying? But it's chill. Got the little regular champion, you know, logo right here. Then they got the whole thing coming through the back. Like, what's goody? Another thing that wasn't shown in pictures that, well, I didn't see, was the Supreme right here. But I got a few colors. I got the white one, the black one, the navy blue one, the yellow one, and the baby blue one, sky blue, however you want to call it. So I'm gonna show you that right now, because some of them got some little, the champion on the back is spelled with different colorway on some of the hoodies. So I'm gonna show y'all what's up and what's good with it. I'm gonna show you, you know, the patches down here and all that. First off, I'm gonna show you the black. The black one, this is the back of it. They got it in all white. You know what I'm saying? They got the R right at the tip. Got it in the white with the red. White with red. You know what I'm saying? Turn it around. They got the patch down here. They all got the patch here in the same color. You know, it also has a little patch right here. And on the inside, oh, right on the neck, it has Supreme right here. Embroidered Supreme right there. What else? I'm sweating because I got this hoodie on, but I wanted to wear it for y'all can see what it looks like when you got it on. I'm gonna show you the blue one, navy blue right here. Boom, same colorway in the back as the black one. Boom, white with the red, navy blue, R on the bottom. Same thing here. You know what I'm saying? Cream and white. The yellow one is fire. I like the yellow one because they got it in the back. They got it in blue and red. Come on, I like this one. I don't know. Something about it. I don't really like. I mean, I like bright colors, but yellow is like something that, you know what I'm saying, you gotta be for sure, look fresh, and that I don't always do. I don't always do yellow, so for me to pick this and be like, yo, I can rock this, it gotta look hot to me. So, you know what I'm saying, got something going. Got the little patch, same thing. Boom, same color on the bottom, Supreme right on the bottom under that. I'm gonna zoom into everything for y'all can see detail. It's pretty heavy. It's a nice, you know what I'm saying, pullover hoodie. It got good, heavy. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, you got the tag inside right here with the lining, the champion lining all around the hoodie. You got the champion tag saying authentic, the size, exclusively for Supreme, made in Cambodia, not Canada, Cambodia. Supreme in white right here. Well, I already introduced this one, so last but not least, baby blue, which is my favorite out of all the colors, you know what I'm saying? It's the baby blue with the blue and red colorway champion on the back. This is my favorite, no lie. That's a fizz night. I knew I was gonna say that. Stop playing. I just came back from New York, so I'm tired. I've been flying. You feel me? And I ain't complaining. So I'm gonna zoom in for y'all just like I do every time on all my videos, so y'all can see what's up, so y'all can see details, authenticate what y'all gotta authenticate, you know, to legitimize anything y'all buying, so y'all won't buy no fakes, you know what I'm saying? And just to see up close and personal what y'all gonna buy online, if y'all buy it on StockX, Let Go, or whatever. Look at me, I got it on right now. This is what it looked like from the back, you know what I'm saying? Pop, pop, pop. From the front, oof, 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 oof. Alright, so I'm gonna zoom in right now so y'all can see what's up. Let's get it.
Adding up the cash, I'ma need a bag. Adding up the cash, I'ma need a bag. I ain't embarrassed to go out and fuck up a check. I do love it. Thumbing through 20s and the 50s and them all blue new hundreds. Adding up the cash, I'ma need a bag. Adding up the cash, I'ma need a bag. I ain't embarrassed to go out and fuck up a check. I do love it. Thumbing through 20s and the 50s and them all blue new hundreds. Diamond shining, caught you staring. Ball means what I'm wearing. I was broke, had to catch a lick. Hit the plug for a whole brick. Hundreds on me like the bank. In the streets I got the rank. Young shooter like the ranch. In the hood blowing stank. Flexing on purpose, I had to go do it. Fuck up a check on the snap and you view it. Came up with the plug for the cash and we blew it. Wake up to more money, get up and redo it. Sipping purple or the pink. I I just went and bought a link. Free bands in the drought. In the trap with the clout. Smoking dope, hella gas. Thumbing through all of this cash. I was broke, had to run it up.
Alright, yo, I know y'all like that zoom in. That's what's up. I'm gonna drop another video in a few on some beanies. Y'all know what to do, man. Subscribe to my channel, comment on my videos, like my videos, follow me on Instagram at Prince Fiorentino. Like my videos, like my pictures, comment, DM me with any questions, any ideas, any videos you think I should shoot. DM me, let me know, I'll do it, man. If it's popping, man, why not? Let's get it, you heard? I will reply to everybody, no matter if it's positive or negative. It's positive because it'll help me grow. Y'all already know what's up. Holla at your boy, let's get it.
Adding up the cash, I'ma need a bag.